Good morning. Very good morning to all of you students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Deer, please turn on your camera. Vihan Vyas, turn on
Good
your camera,
morning,
please.
ma'am.
Good morning. Jignesh, why your camera is not proper? After 1 minute, I will start the class. Everyone, please be ready. Take out your revision notebook for the calculations. No need to send me the rough calculations, rough work. You have to send me, submit the Google form only after completing. Okay, understood everyone? Got it everyone?
My network issues. My network issues what is there? So can I leave and join again?
Yeah, please leave and join fast. Be ready with the revision notebook for the calculation students, because for math sums you will need the rough notebook for calculations, and then only you will able to click the answer in the Google form. Diva, you know today is your CET. Okay, I'm going to post the link in the chat box or in the classroom, not in the chat box. So everyone has to go to the classroom. I will announce in the class first, and then you have to go and refresh your class.
Have you sent
Ma'am,
the
you will post the CET link in classroom or chat box?
In classroom. Once I will post, I will announce. Wait a minute. Yes, students, is posted in the classroom. Go to the classroom, refresh your classroom. Refresh your classroom, you will able to see.
Ma'am, can you post the link in chat box because I can't see in classroom always.
Okay. Okay, I posted. Vignesh, are you able to open it? Mohammed Mohammed, are you able to open it?
Ma'am, we have to write capital letter only.
Don't ask every time. It's the same format the way you are doing. किसी भी way में you have to write your name. And every time you will have the CET, and every time this is the common question, ma'am, how we write the name. You can write the name in the small letter, capital letter, the way you write. It will accept everything. Got it? And after clicking the answers and submit the Google form, you will able to see your scores.
Excuse me, ma'am. We have to
Yes.
write our full name.
This is first time, Shivani, you giving your CT? No. No, na? So you know how to write it in the previous test? Same way. Is there any child who is not able to log into the Google form? Pragyan? Pragyan, now you able to open?
Ma'am, I didn't get the link.
Bacha, you go to the classroom and refresh your classroom. Krishav, now? Krishav, please answer me, bacha. Now you able to open it or no?
Ma'am, I got it.
Okay. Is there any child who facing the difficulty to open the Google form? Please tell your name, yes or no. I want everyone to turn on the cameras, please. Vihan, I have already posted the link in the classroom. Go to classroom, turn on your camera, everyone, please.
Ma'am, in
Yes.
In E1 there is a match started at 14:40 hours. You have to write 14
No,
two
no.
dots.
It can be without dots also. When it is 14:40, it is understood it's in 24 hours, and you need to write it into the 12 hours. Yes, Dheer.
I can write 4B.
Yes, yes, yes. Everyone,
My first and B1.
after your name, you have to write your section also. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Can you explain B1?
Which one?
B.
Wait, I'll read all the questions for you all.
Ma'am, please explain the
Yeah, I will read. Just a minute. Let me take the attendance once more. Please write your section also along with your name. Yes. Question number A is, each day is made up of how many hours? 9 hours, 12 hours, 22 hours, or 24 hours? The number of minutes in 1 hour. 1 hour and 6 minutes equals to how many minutes? We have already learned how to convert the hours into minutes, and then you have to find total number of minutes. 66 minutes, 64 minutes, 56 minutes, or 76 minutes. Now you understood, Dhvani and Shivani?
Yes.
C question is, Rita leaves for school at 6:40 a.m. and she reaches at 7:30 a.m. How long does Rita take to reach the school? So how many minutes she has taken, because she started moving from 6:40, reaching to the school at 7:30. So how many minutes she needs to reach to the school? Number D, the day after 90 days from 15th March fall in which month? 15th मार्च के बाद 90 डेज अगर आप काउंट करोगे तो वो कौन से मंथ में आएंगे? E, a match started at 14:40 hours, which is in 24 hours timing. 14:40 is 24-hour timing, and the starting time is in the 12 hours. So you need to convert this 14:40 into the 12-hour clock time. Both the hands of a clock are at 3. What time is it? 6:45 p.m. in a 24-hour clock time would be 6:45 को 24-hour clock time, 6:45 p.m. को 24-hour clock time में we will read it as how? 12 minutes to 4 means 4 बजने में अभी भी 12 minutes हैं. So what time it will be? 4:12, 3:12, 4:48 or 3:48? The date of manufacturing printed on a pack of butter is 16th September 2020, and it has a stamp which says used by 31st October 2020. Should we use the butter after 31st October 2020? The school closed for winter vacation from 25th December to 15th January. How many days will school remain closed? Add 8 hours 20 minutes and 16 hours 40 minutes. Subtract 7 hours 20 minutes from 15 hours. Convert into seconds. 8 minutes 25 seconds equals to how many seconds? Any confusion till now? I request everyone to please turn on their cameras. Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand the E1.
Okay, let me read it.
Ma'am, now can you explain again D1?
Again, B1. Dhwani?
No, ma'am, D1, D.
D. Okay. Dhwani, D is the day after 90 days. Means if I say today is 20 July. After, if you add 90 days in this 20 July, then after this date, 90 days will fall in which month? Right? And Shivani, you want E1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Our math started at 1440 hours. 1440 hours means it's given in 24 hours timing. And you need to write the time in the 12-hour clock time. 1440 को हम 12 hour में क्या कहते हैं?
Okay, ma'am.
See children, I again tell you it's very easy, but you need to concentrate and do it very sincerely. Understand the concept. They are all logical concepts are given to you. I request everyone to turn on the cameras, please.
Ma'am, can you use rough notebook?
Yes, I already announced in the class in the beginning. Please use the revision notebook or maths notebook for the calculations. Moin Kuledi, when you will do your CET, bacha?
No, I am doing.
Yes, please.
When first I got 21, and in first year was showing 21, then I go one more time, it is 25 now. Marks. What's the correct?
Let me check.
Ma'am, can you explain me the H1?
Yes.
Ma'am, the J1 is not correctly.
Let me check. Which one?
J.
DHIJ.
Ma'am, done.
The school closed for winter break, winter vacation from 25th December. Means you need to count the date from 25th December till
Ma'am,
the
I
15th
count-
January.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am having problem in the H1.
My dear, when you count 25th also and the 15th January also, then you will check. You are counting maybe because your vacation starting from, wait a minute, let me explain to one child. You need to count from 25th January till the 15th December. Both the days also will be counted. If you skip both the days, Pritika, are you able to listen me?
Yes, ma'am. I don't have that problem.
Then
I have submitted the CET, but in the H1, 12 minutes to 4 in the same as.
answers we will discuss later on. Whatever you understood, do it. Okay.
No, ma'am. I have done the CET, but it's showing wrong.
Maybe your answer may be wrong. Let me see later on. Okay.
Ma'am, first can you see my marks because it's showing that first 25 now 20. First 21 now.
Let me check with Shivani. Yes, Shivani. Then I'll check Jignesh.
Ma'am, I'm having a problem in H1.
Ma'am,
Yes. Which child is saying, ma'am?
I have, ma'am, Pragyan.
Yes, Pragyan.
Ma'am, I am also facing the problem in that one only.
H1.
12. Yes, ma'am, which Kritika is facing that.
Okay.
Ma'am, and I am having problem in H1.
12 minutes to 4. 12 minutes to 4. What do you understand, Shivani, by this language? क्या समझ में आया आपको? 12 minutes to
Yes,
4.
ma'am, I am also facing this
Yeah.
only. I am
12
facing
minutes
this
to
one.
4 means 4 बजने में अभी भी 12 minutes हैं.
Ma'am,
Got it, Pragyan? 4 बजने में 4 o'clock बजने में अभी भी 12 minutes हैं. Means 12 minutes to 4. Dhwani, when I'm speaking with someone, you need to wait for your turn, bacha. Shivani, you got it? 12 minutes to 4. Yes, Dhwani.
Ma'am, in the A1 you have forgotten the dot between 14 and 14.
No. It can be like this also. 1440 hours. When the hours is coming, you should understand that this is the 24-hour clock time.
Ma'am,
When you put the dot, then you don't put the hours. When you put the hours, you don't put the dot. Both the ways are correct.
Ma'am, now can you check?
Yeah, now I will check. I think you have done some corrections, Jignesh, then that's why. You have submitted 2 times, I think.
Ma'am, can you explain even?
Dhwani, wait.
Ma'am, let me see what's the problem.
Yeah, it may be your marks are showing 25 only, but maybe you have done somewhere corrections.
No, in mine that is not showing like that.
No. Yeah, then you have not done corrections. Your all answers are right.
Okay.
You got 25. Yeah, because I can see the corrections also if the child has do correction and submit again.
In my that was not showing. I got first 21 and that
Maybe
one more
you
time
were
I
doing.
go up, then
Yeah.
25 got.
No, maybe you were doing that time. No, that is the reason. Half of you have submitted and half maybe not. That's why. Now it's completely showing 25.
Okay.
And students, if you have your CET is completed, start writing. Wait. If your CET is completed, start writing tables. Pritika, mute your mic.
Ma'am.
Pritika, just a minute. Mute your mic, please. Vedi, mute your mic. I will talk with both of you. Those who have completed their CET, I can see 10 students have completed. So I want them to open their revision notebook and start writing tables from 12 to 15. If you know 12 to 15 tables, you can start writing the tables from 15 to 20. Am I clear to you? Jignesh, am I clear? Those who have submitted their CET? Yes, Pritika, speak now.
Ma'am, I can write till 22.
Yes, please write if you know. Yes, Pritika, can you please speak?
Ma'am, what did you say? That headphone was disturbed. What did you say? Can you say one more time?
I said those who have completed the CET, they start writing tables from 12 to 15. If you already know the tables from 12 to 15, then write from 15 to 20.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pritika. Pritika, turn on your camera first. I want to see the child, then I speak.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. I want to say that I have submitted the CET, but I have done correct the answer, but it's showing wrong. I
No,
check.
maybe you by mistake. We will discuss the answers tomorrow.
Okay.
All answers are correct in this form, because if Jignesh is getting 5 out of 25, means the answers are submitted rightly.
Okay, my mummy.
You check your answers
Ma'am,
twice.
my mom also check. I have done correctly.
Which question you are talking about?
Ma'am, HKL. Subtraction and addition.
HKL. All the answers. HKL. Wait. In the H1, what are your answers? Wait, let me check the form only, because I don't want to disclose the answers right now. H, K, and L, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do one thing, Pritika. You stay after the class. I will explain you. All the answers are right here in the Google form. Maybe you facing some difficulty, I will tell you. Or either I will tell you in the next class. Okay? Yes, Vedi.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vedi.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Vedi, please speak, bacha.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in the L1, you only told that 18 minutes can't come, so I did the correction. Then I got 40, so it is showing wrong 40 minutes.
I will explain tomorrow. Will it be fine? Because I cannot discuss the answers right now.
Yes,
Everyone
ma'am.
is doing. Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, in the K1 I did the addition, but my answer is coming different than the option.
Then maybe your answer is wrong. You have not understood the concept. I will repeat the concept tomorrow in the class, next class. Understood?
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
ma'am, in the J1, we have to count the between days or that 2 days also.
J1, let me see which question is this. You have to count all the days, not between. These 2 days also will be counted because your holidays are starting from 25th. So that day also will be counted, no? If I say your classes are starting from 20th of July, so 20th of July will be also counted, no? Because your classes are starting from that day also. Yes. Hare done? Those who have completed, please start writing tables. Krishav, I think you have completed. Please write tables.
I mean revision book or
Revision notebook.
I can write 15 to 22.
Dheer, yes, I told you. Yes, please start writing. And why your camera is like this and you are not visible to me?
And how many tables we have to write?
15 to 20, 12 to 15. If you know the tables from 12 to 15, then start writing from 15 to 20. I can see Harsh Keshwani has submitted. Harsh Keshwani need lot of practice, bacha. Pragyan submitted, Jignesh submitted, Kritika submitted, Hare submitted. Hare was saying it's too easy, right? And if you can see your scores, Arush and Hare, Arush, you need a lot of practice. And Arush, you are in 4th B, I think, but you are writing 4th C. Diva submitted, Dheer submitted, Vedi submitted, Krishav submitted, Vihan Vyas submitted. Vihan Vyas, are you taking help from anyone? Vihan, can I speak with you? Lakshya submitted and Astha submitted. Please start submitting. And plus addition and subtraction of time is there, no? Please do it very concentrately. We have already done the concept related with this. Already we have completed addition and subtraction of time. Lakshya, start writing tables in your notebook. Vihan, you have taken help from someone or you did by your own? Vihan, yes.
Ma'am, we have to write in revision notebook.
From last 15 minutes, you are asking the same thing, Dee. Ma'am, we have to write from till 22. Ma'am, we write in division notebook. You are just doing simply sitting. Turn on your camera, please. Astha, Arav, Hiya, Viha, Moksh, Harsh, Krishav. Or please turn on your camera. Pritika, turn on your camera. Now you have already submitted. So now I think you don't face any difficulty with the camera. Pritika, I'm going to remove to the students now those cameras are off. Harsh Keshwani, your Google form is submitted. So please turn on your camera now.
Ma'am,
Yes, yeah.
I have not submit. I am doing CT. So camera is off in.
It's automatically get off.
Yes.
Okay, then I allow you. But those students, I know the names of the students. Those are submitted. If they keep the camera off, I will remove them. Asta, you are not at your place, bacha.
Ma'am, my camera was working properly.
But it's not working. You're not
It was
visible.
working very clearly.
Log out and log in again.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Asta is going washroom.
Okay.
And then also it's coming black only.
Yes. Vedi, you do those sums which were wrong, no? So start doing those sums. And students, please turn on your camera. Arush, Miyani, Shivangini, Shivani. Please turn on your camera fast.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have turned in my CT circle. How much I have to write the tables?
How many times the teacher has to repeat the same thing? Tell me, bacha.
15 to 20.
12 to 15 first. Aru, show me where are you writing the your tables?
Ma'am,
Yeah, what, ma'am?
ma'am, I don't, ma'am, I don't learn till 12 only.
So take from someone, take the book and start writing. Or you don't know how to make the tables. Arush, you don't know how to make the tables if you have not learned.
Ma'am, I know.
But adding, no?
Yes.
Then start making fast. Asta, sit at your place. Asta, you have submitted your form. Start writing tables. 12 to 15. Mohammed, you have submitted? Yes, Mohammed submitted. Mohammed, students, I know that where you are facing the difficulty, still you have not practice of addition and subtraction of time. Yes or no? Many of you are facing the difficulty in that only?
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Go, please.
Ma'am, 12 minutes and 4 hours is equal to I have written right, but it is showing wrong.
We will discuss answer right. All the answers are right in this. We will discuss the answer tomorrow in the class. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday. Next working day. As you all know, tomorrow is a holiday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am, but why tomorrow is a holiday?
Mohammed, you don't celebrate Bakra Eid?
Yes, I celebrate, but tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow is Bakra Eid.
Yes, that is the reason
There
tomorrow is
are
holiday.
so many. Like 20, 22
What 22?
Bakras.
Hmm.
And one is coming up. So.
Arush, you completed table of 12? Arush, I'm asking from you.
Yes.
And table of 13?
No, ma'am, I'm now writing.
Lakshadola, you have completed which table, bacha?
Ma'am, I am writing 11 to 14.
So which table you are on?
Ma'am, 12.
Okay, write fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Krisha, can we speak, beta? Can we talk, both of us? Krisha? Krisha, please turn on your mic. Moksh Patel. Moksh Patel, Viha, you have submitted, so please turn on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Moksh Patel, you
Ma'am.
are writing tables?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I cannot understand L1. It it is 7 hours, but that is 7 hours and 50 hours.
L1
Yes.
is related to addition, subtraction.
Yes.
It's subtraction, no? From 15 hours, you need to subtract the 7 hours, 20 minutes. Maybe you have not done the practice, bacha. Answers are all correct in this. Do the practice. It is all same question I have given in your practice worksheet also, addition and subtraction Google form, if you remember. It's the same question I have given for the practice.
Ma'am, but I was in Goa, so I cannot join the class.
So you should send me the mail, na bacha. If you're not attending the class, send me mail. I will send you the recording of the same day. Got it? And inform me that, ma'am, I will not able to join the class.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope those who have completed their CET, they are writing tables.
My camera is turning automatically off.
Okay. You have done tables till which number, Dheer?
I am on 19.
Okay. Jignesh, you are on which number? Jignesh, are you writing tables? Jignesh. Okay. Your mic is not working. Mohammed, sorry, Mohin Kuledi, your seat is done. Mohin Kuledi, your seat is done.
Yes.
You, what are you doing then now?
Then I am submitting.
Okay. After submission, please start writing the tables. Arav Apani, turn on your camera. Shivani, Shivangani, turn on your camera. Hare, Moksh, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, art camera is on only.
Shivani's camera is off. She's eating behind the screen. From tomorrow also, I will also do like this. I will switch off my camera and I will do something else behind the screen. And then I'll teach you in this way. Will it be fine for you all? You don't want to see me, you want to see me, right? Same way I want to see you also. Moksh Patel, from tomorrow I will not call your names if your camera is off. I will just directly remove. And then you will say, ma'am, sorry.
Ma'am, from tomorrow?
Yes, from day after tomorrow, the working day. From day after tomorrow, I will not call your names that whose camera is off. I will directly remove from my class. So let me see how many of you have submitted. Okay, children, those who have submitted, they can leave the class. Thank you, and do practice of addition and subtraction of time. It's required a lot of practice, students. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Good day.
Thank you.